Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually set up the Capitec bank application for your business account. Now it's very simple, just follow my steps. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually download the Capitec bank application. Now all you have to do is go to the App Store and download the Capitec Bank. From there you open up the application and it will take you to this little window. Now from here, allow Capitec to send you notifications, and here you have two options. Now if you already have an account, simply sign in. If you don't have an account, open an account. Now we're going to use the sign in account, and from here you can select two options for yourself or for my business. Now from here we choose my business. Now here you press get started. Now in the get started menu, there's a very easy stuff to select. All you have to do is log into your global biz account, your username and your password. From there you sign in with the PIN code that you use, and that's about it. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you.